Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time we have two unboxings, so a double unboxing as you can see from Casio. And I have a watch that has been on my radar for a long time, and at last I was able to get it for around 70 euros. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. The first one is this Casio MTP E180D 3AVEF, that's the reference number, and we will show you what the watch is. As you can see here, it's a green dial office quartz watch from Casio. What I like about this watch is that the dial is really cool. It has like a gradient black green dial, as you can see. So have the dial is gradient black, have the dial is gradient green, and you get a really nice effect due to this color gradient. We have a tin bracelet, which I will directly remove. Like you know me, I can't take these bracelets, to be honest. They make the watch experience or watch wearing experience much lower from my side. So it's actually sometimes in favor of these watches that I don't try them with the bracelets, because like I said, if I tried it with the bracelet, and the bracelet, as you can see, is very cheap. Here we have the watch alone. So let's take the measurements of the watch. So the watch is 42 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is 49. Thickness 7.75. And lug width is 22 millimeters. So 22 millimeter lug width. So let's move this hand away. It's 10. So here we can see the Casio polished all over on the case back. I don't think we will see a lot of things on the case back. Repair movement, water resistant stainless steel. So I'll pause here, put this watch on a strap, and show it to you on my 17 centimeter wrist. I'm wearing this Casio just for the consistency of it, and we will be back. So here how it looks on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. Very flat on the wrist. I think it's a great office watch if you want to have something different. It's around 70 euros. I will leave a link in it in the description. And I really like it because it's really flat and really thin. And as you can see on my wrist, it does look quite nice. So this is the first unboxing, like I said. The second one is the watch that I have been waiting to try from Casio since a long time. Let's take this. The reference number is MDV 1071A2VEF, and it's much more known for the other name, the Duro. So basically this is another affordable diver that a lot of people talk about, that it is one of the best value for money divers. And if you don't care about, let's say, all the stuff that are secondary in watchmaking, this gives you almost all what you need without anything extra. Let's say we have a screw down crown, you have a diver's bezel, you have lume pips, date window, and the rubber strap. So let's start by measuring the watch. So if we look at the diameter of the watch, is around 45. Lug to lug is 48. 12.15 thickness, and I think the supplied strap is at 22 millimeters. So here you can see that there is abundance of room on the dial. On the case back, we have the Casio Japan movement, water resistant 20 watts, so 200 meters, and the reference number. Now we'll put it on my wrist. Like I said, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. And let's see how it looks like. Actually fits quite nice. It's the weight is there. You feel like you're wearing something, but at the same time it's not too heavy. It has a screw down crown, so you can be sure to close it before you swim. And let me just get it to 1010 so you can have a better look at the dial. So this Duro is also 70 euros. So basically you can see Casio offerings. You have this that's 70 euros, and you have these two which are also 70 euros. So I think we'll try this as thumbnail. Let's get this too. Just trying to put them together in a one picture so I can put them as a thumbnail. So by the way, if you're watching until now, it's an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and be sure to comment on the video with your questions about this watch or any other watch, because this helps me grow the channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone. I think I'll also make a review of this watch, because this watch is pretty fantastic, I have to say. This one, I would think I would just put it directly in the box. I'll chuck it in and put it on the supplied bracelet and put it back in the box, because it's just too big, too flat. The color is nice, this dual green black, but this one's very functional, and it feels very rugged. It doesn't feel like a 70 euros watch. So I definitely give this a bit of testing so I can make a review video of it. Anyways, thank you again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.